Hey, my name is Gautam Kumawat and I'm going to share up with you that how you can be able to become a professional hacker within 60 days or less. Many people gonna say that hey, it's impossible, it's gonna that thing, those things, blah blah things. But let me share out with you. I don't know exactly the years, but there was a guy, Roger Bannister, and he is the first person who run through the 4-minute mile. That is, before that, nobody can be able to run a mile within 4 minutes. He broken the record, and after he broken the record, more than thousand of the people broken the record of the Roger Bannister. That's what exactly it changes your life. So the thing is that maybe for some people will say that hey, it's completely impossible to become a hacker within 60 days or less. But let me share out with you. If you are having the Roger Bannister mindset, you can be able to become hacker. And if you do it, you will be sharing out with the people that hey, it's possible, and thousands of the people will take benefit out of it, and they will become hacker. So the point of conversation is that if you set your mindset inside that frequency, that you are dedicatedly, you are getting the right mentorship, you are getting the right mindset, you are getting the right guidance from the mentor, and you are holding the hand of the mentor, then anything is possible. Because I gone through this path, I spent more than 14 years into this cybersecurity journey, learning, teaching people, teaching to the training to the law enforcement agencies and all kind of this stuff, investigating the cases, and after that I realized the shortest path to become a professional hacker. If you go to any of your college professors, they will teach you that hey, learn this programming, do this shit, learn the networking, and it's going to take you more than 10 plus 15 years to don't even learn the cybersecurity, but just only learn the programming, networking, and all kind of the bullshit stuff. Because they are not the hacker. That's why they are putting you in the wrong direction. Right now, I will be sharing out the exact formula which made more than lakhs of the people hacker within this sort of span of the time. I can be able to promise you that within those 60 days, you can be able to learn the things which people learn inside their master degree of cybersecurity and the digital forensics. And those master degree kind of the knowledge you can be able to grab within those 60 days only. That's what I can do to promise you right now. After that, done, learn from these courses, and after that you can be able to compete with any of the guy in the knowledge who completed his master degree inside the cybersecurity. So that's what basically the confidence I can be able to give to you. I know that you're having the thousand of the questions that hey Gautam, is it possible that I don't have that kind of degree, I don't have laptop, I don't have that kind of things. I will explaining, and all of your confusion will be go away from this video. The first thing is your degree matter? It doesn't even matter. To become a hacker, you don't require any kind of degree. It's just like us learning any of the skill. If you want to learn swimming, you don't require any kind of degree. If you want to learn investigation, you don't require any kind of degree. So it's just a skill. Hacker is just a skill. So to learn this skill, you don't require any kind of previous degree or certification and all kind of things. And even if you get any kind of degree and certification in the hacking, and still you are dumb, still you are unable to hack the things, then those degree and certification are just a piece of the paper you can do to burn. I see right now the people, thousands of the people, they are having the degrees, certifications and all kind of things, and they don't even know the ABCD of cybersecurity. They unable to even hack anything. That's what right now those people, they get the piece of the paper and they don't know anything. Because that's what you get from the colleges. You join up the college, your professor teach you the basic stuff and all kind of things, and at the end of the day, you are not having anything in your head. So first thing is that you don't require any kind of degree. Second, that is your age matter. Hey, if you are 55 years old, you are 30, you are 40, you are 25, you are 16, you are 15, you are 12. I started my journey when I was 12 years old. That's when I started my cybersecurity and ethical hacking journey. That's the time basically when I get curious about the cybersecurity, and I decided that I'm going to make my career, my future into the cybersecurity domain. So there is no age bar. Anybody in this world at any age, they can be able to start your career into cybersecurity domain, because this is one of the second highest paying job of the future according to the Forbes. So right now, all of this company, they are hiring the cybersecurity expert, they are hiring the hackers Doesn't matter if the AI is coming up, there is ChatGPT coming up, there will be always demand for the cybersecurity expert, because to secure that technology, you require the hackers. That's the point. And the third thing is that, is your background matter? Hey, people come, hey, I'm coming from the arts background, I'm coming from this background, that background, my mathematics is the weak and all kind of this stupid shit. Let me share out with you, your background doesn't matter. The reason is why 70% of the hackers are coming from the non-technical background, completely non-technical background. If they can be able to become the bug bounty hunter, if they can be able to find out the bug, if they can be able to hack into the site, if they can be able to hack into the applications, of course anybody can be able to do it. Even the police officer you have seen, before if I talk about 7 years back, technicality inside the police was completely zero. Right now, the police is operating the cybercrime cell, they're investigating cases, they're doing all kind of security stuff, how it's possible. Even already those people who were in the police, right now they're heading the cybercrime cell, because they learn every single thing by themselves. So the point is that your background doesn't matter. Anybody can be able to become a hacker. You can be able to learn hacking, but of course, there is the step-by-step progress you have to do. It's like as people coming to me and telling me that, hey, how I can go to hack into somebody WhatsApp? Man, it's not a magic. It's not a magic trick that I will do this and you can go to hack into this something. Of course, just like English, first you have to learn the ABCD. After that, you have to learn how to frame the word. After that, you have to learn how to write poems. That's how you're going to become the writer, author, poeter, or whatever it is. Same as inside the hacking, you have to learn the foundation, and gradually you have to go from here and there. And in the meanwhile, here you will learn Instagram hacking, here you will learn WhatsApp hacking, here you will learn the website hacking, here you will learn satellite hacking. It's basically the way. I mean, on the way you will be getting learning every single thing. So the point is that there is no trick and tools and technique which will teach you that, hey, this is the magic, hack it up. It's not gonna happen. Gradually, when you spend time, then you're gonna master this thing, cybersecurity. So background doesn't even matter. And the most important thing is the laptop. Hey, I'm not having the laptop. My laptop is only having 30,000. It's only cost 50,000. Hackers are using the Mac operating system because they have the fucking money. They work hard. They get the Mac operating system and they're enjoying it. Mac, it's completely so smooth that you really want to lick it off. That's why the people use the iPhone. That's why people use the Mac. So it's not compulsory for the hacking. The most important thing is that your skill, your mindset, what you are having inside your brain, this is what exactly matters. Resting doesn't even matter. So point out that you don't require any of the special computer system, you don't require supercomputer system. Whatever the computer system you are having inside your home, you can be able to use your computer system and become hacker. Even you can be able to learn hacking from your mobile also. But of course, like as if you want to get pro and do the things, then of course you require the computer system at the end of the day. So I hope you guys are qualified to become hacker right now. If all of your myth got cleared, just write down qualified inside the comment box, so I know that you are qualified to become hacker. Because right now you can be able to start your journey inside the cybersecurity domain, and just to help you out, just to help the people that they don't have to do this struggle as I did. I invested more than 14 years not having any kind of the guide, any kind of the mentor. Nobody was there to tell me, to teach me. Even that time the internet was so much expensive, you can't be able to watch other YouTube videos, because hardly for the 1 GB you have to spend your entire month. That's how hard it was. No resources, nothing else. If still in that condition, if I can do to become a hacker, you can be easily do it. Right now you are having the mentorship, you are having the guidance, you are having the tools, resources, everything you are having in front of you. And still if you are like this, hey, how I should become hacker, man? Hey, shame on you. So the point is that I'm conducting a free online hacking workshop in which I will be sharing the 3 secret exactly formula. If you follow the 3 secret, you can be able to become a professional hacker, which will know how to hack, which will know that how to remove your footprints, which will know that how you can be able to investigate into cybercrime cases. So if you are kind of the person who are looking for that, hey, how I can safeguard myself, you have to become hacker. How I can secure my Instagram, you have to become hacker. How I can do to protect my business, you have to become hacker. How I can protect my identity, you have to become hacker. End of the day, you are the person who have to take your responsibility, your security, because no government, no police will take care of your safety if you are the online. Your money, your resources, your identity, your sensitive data, every fucking thing you have to secure, you have to protect. So the point is that I'm conducting a free webinar, absolutely free, 90 minutes. I will be dropping the volume bump which nowhere you're gonna get, because this is what exactly the knowledge skill I got after spending that much of time, and the things I will be sharing with you. If you follow that formula, you can be able to become a professional hacker within 60 days. That's what I can do to promise you. This workshop is going on for the next 90 minutes. Link I'm providing inside the description. You can go to click on this link, and even if your family, friends, or maybe any of your colleagues want to become hacker, don't forget to share up this link with them, because if you are sharing this link with them, then generally you are helping somebody. You are helping somebody so they can go to protect themselves online. I am in the mission to create more than lakh hacker in 2025, and this mission, I hope you're gonna help me up, and I hope you're gonna become the hacker, so we can go to live the cyber peaceful life. We can go to become the hacker. We can be able to live the lifestyle of your dream. We can be able to create the legacy. So thank you so much, and don't forget to like, subscribe this video, and support me up so I can be able to create some more videos. When I see growth, I feel happy, because I'm not doing those things for you. I'm not doing it for myself. I'm just doing every single thing for you, because it's for myself. Then I already know things why I have to come on the YouTube and share up my knowledge with you. So if you really like what is the stuff I'm doing currently, if you really love my lifestyle and everything, share up this video with your family, friends. Share up the workshop details with your family and friends, so they can be able to kickstart their career inside the cybersecurity domain. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great, amazing day. Take care.